How to link Klarna to Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. And once you're here, click on payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, in which you want to scroll down to the additional payment methods and click on add payment method. Once you're here, search for Klarna using the search bar, and when you find it, click on it. And as you can see, it tells us that there are three providers offering this payment method, but we will go with Klarna itself. You can use any other one of them. They all work the same way. Click on activate next to it, and you will land on this about section. They will give you some information about Klarna, and you can even find out more by clicking on their website. But we will scroll down to the account status, from which you need to click on the connect button at the bottom right of the screen to install the app, but this will not activate it. In order to activate it after you install it, you need to go to klarna.com, and from there, using your account, you will link it to your Shopify store, which is very easy process and everyone can do it. So that is it for this video. That's how you can add Klarna payment method to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.